Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to implement two beautiful features in my Shopify store. So basically those features are like first one is displaying all the color variants as a separate products on my collection pages, and second thing is that I will be displaying color swatches on collection pages. So you can see on my screen that how it looks. So for example, I have a single product with multiple colors. So all the color variants are displaying as a separate products on the collection pages. Along with that, you can also see that I have displayed color swatches which are displaying just above the title. So this is looking more beautiful. So I will show you step by step that how you can do it into your Shopify store. So basically this feature is specific for all the free themes which Shopify has provided. For example, Dawn theme, Refresh theme, Sense theme, and there are many other free themes which Shopify has. So this structure will be applicable for that. So let me show you the current situation that how my store looks like. So let me click on this preview. And you will see that this is the home page of my Dawn theme Shopify store. If I'm going to the collection page, so this is very simple collection page. Here I have multiple products, but only single color is displaying. For example, I'm clicking on this product and you can see that I have multiple colors on the product page, but on the collection page I can only see a single color. So how we can display all those colors on this collection page, and other than that I will be also showing you that how you can display the swatches just below this image. So firstly, you should go back to the Shopify dashboard, and here you can see that I have installed Dawn theme. You should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme. So you should duplicate it because later on if you have any problem or something, you can roll it back to the original version. Once you duplicate it, then you should again need to click on these three dots and click on edit code. And here we have multiple folders and files. We are going to follow a documentation. I have already given the link below in the description. So once you are clicking on that link, so you will be getting all these files. So firstly, you should open document.txt. So inside of this file, I have already given a lot of steps very clearly. So the first step is that create a new snippet card-variant-swatch-custom. So let me copy this and go back here and click on snippets and click on add a new snippet and then paste that name here and then click on done. So basically we have created an empty snippet file. And again, go back to the documentation. We have the second step, creating another new snippet card-product-custom.liquid. So let me copy this, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here and then click on done. So this way we have created two empty files. So in the same way, we have to move ahead with the third step, create another new snippet color-card-product-custom. So let me copy the name, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here and then click on done. Again, go back, create another new snippet. This is the fourth step. Actually, this is creating a new asset file, card-product-variant-selection-custom.js. So basically, let me go back here. We don't need to create the snippet. We have to click on assets, and inside of assets, we have to click on add a new asset, click on create a blank file, and here you need to select JS file and paste that name here and then click on done. So we have actually created an empty JS file. Again, go back and we have to create another file which is color-variant. So that is snippet file. So go back here, click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here and then click on done. So we have created basically 5 files. So these are empty right now. We are going to paste the attached code. So let me show you. Here we have the code. So the first file is card-product-custom.txt. So let me copy this code from here. So we have card-product-custom.liquid. So inside of this file, you need to paste that code and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, then you can close this file, go back, and here we have another file which is card-product-variant-selection-custom.js. So basically this was the JS file. So let me copy the code and then go back, and here we have this file which is card-product-variant-selection-custom.js. So let me save the changes and then close this file also. Go back, and here we have the third file which is card-variant-swatch-custom.txt. So let me open it up and then copy the code and go back, and here we have, actually this was card-variant-swatch-custom.liquid. So let me paste it and then save the changes. Now you can close this file and go back and open color-card-product-custom.txt. So this is also one of the file. Let me copy the code, go back here, paste it inside of color-card-product-custom.liquid. Once you have pasted, then you should click on save, and the changes are saved. Now you can close this file. So in the same way, we have the final last file, which is color-variant.txt. So you should copy this complete code and then go back here. We have color-variant.liquid. So you should paste that code here and then click on save. So now the changes are saved. You can close this file also. Now we are going back to the documentation. We have completed 5 steps. Now the 6th step is that edit main-collection-product-grid.liquid. So let me copy the name of this file, go back here. In the search box, you should actually open main-collection-product-grid.liquid, and that is under sections. So what we are going to do here is we are going to find data-id, and actually this specific attribute we are going to find. You should select it and then using Control F or maybe Command F, you should search it. So inside of this file you will find this attribute in multiple places, but we are finding it inside of this UL tag, that is unordered list. So make sure that you are under this specific element rather than any other place. So make sure that this is inside of UL tag. So what we are going to do here is we are going to add a new attribute, which is this one, data section ID attribute. So you should copy this complete attribute and then paste it just below the selected attribute which we have just now found. All right. And then after again go back to the documentation, and we have to replace card-product with color-variant. So let's find first. So let me use Control F or so using Control F or maybe Command F, you should search it and it will be highlighted somewhere right here. So what we are going to do here is we are going to replace it with color-variant. So let me copy color-variant and then go back here. You should delete card-product and replace it with color-variant. All right. Then again go back and we have to remove li tag around the card product render component. So basically this was the render component, and around this we have this li tag. So we are going to delete this li tag. So that was the opening tag, and here we have the closing tag. So let me delete this one also. So around this render component we have to delete li opening tag and li closing tag, and then after you should go back and actually we are going to paste this code at the bottom of this file. So make sure that this complete code should be selected, and then after go back and scroll down to the bottom, and in the bottom you should paste that code which we have just now copied. And now that's it. You should save the changes for this file and then you can close this file. Go back to the documentation, scroll down to the 9th step, and in the 9th step we have to add schema, this below schema, at the top of settings_schema.json. So firstly we need to find this specific file. So go back here in the search box, you need to search settings_schema, and then after you will see that under config we have settings_schema.json, and inside of this JSON file we are going to copy this complete JSON file, JSON code, including this comma, and then after you should paste it at the top. So in the press enter key, and then in the line number 2 you should paste that code and then save the changes. And that's it. You have already done a lot of things till now. So make sure that you should slowly implement all the steps. I know that this video is little bit lengthy, but you know, if you will follow step by step, then it is quite easier. Only copy and paste. So now what we are going to do here is we are going to test this feature. So right here you can see that this was really a simple shop page, I mean collection page. But now if you will see the preview of the store, after making all these changes. So this is the home page. Let me click on shop, click on all. So here we go. Now you can see that we have right now two features. The first one is that all the color variants are displaying as a separate products. You can see this one had this product had three color variants, so all of them are displaying here. Similarly, this product also has multiple colors, so all of them are displaying here. And along with that, you can see that we have swatches, so all the swatches are displaying right here. For example, this product, you can see that how it looks. But now one thing is missing here, which is that all the colors are not displaying in the swatches. So I will show you that how you can actually update it. So let me show you. Firstly, you should go back to the dashboard, and then after you should click on customize, and inside of customization again you should click on the collection page. So right here you can see the settings. So in the settings you can see collection color swatches. So just click on that, and then after you will see that we have an option to add the color names. So right now, for example, let me open this product, and here you can see that we have yellow color, so that is not available. So now you need to copy this yellow color from here and go back, and anywhere else, I mean, for example, right here, press enter key, and in the new line you should paste yellow and then put colon and then copy this color. So let me show you how you can copy this. So you should select this one. Here we have the code. You should select, and then after let me you need to copy actually the hex code. So this is the hex code, and then you should paste it right here, and you will see that yellow color is appearing right now. So let me save the changes. So similarly we have for the other swatches also. For example, this swatch line in third, so that is orange color, so that is also missing. Let me copy it, and anywhere you can paste it and put the colon, and then let me copy the color from here. So for example, I am choosing this color, and then I am going to copy the hex code. Here we go. You need to copy and then paste it right here, and then after you can save the changes, and here you can see that yellow color is appearing. So in the same way we have the first color, that is beige. So let me copy this, go back here, paste that color name and put colon, and then let me copy this color from here. So let me show you one more thing. Anywhere else you can actually put color, and then you can write here, for example, red. So once you are adding that, you can click on this square box and then click on this pencil icon, and then select that color, and then you can actually copy this hex code. All right, and then you can paste it right here, and that's it. Now you will see that all those colors are appearing right here. Similarly, you can do it for other products. So in the same way you can apply this thing for the other products. So right now I have added the colors in front of you, that how we can copy the hex code and then paste it. You should go back here, and here you can see that we have the option of style, swatch style. So you can put it square. Here you can see that this is square, and if you want you can make it square, round corner, and if you want you can also reduce the size. So actually this is looking more bigger, and now I am interested to make it more smaller. So now you can see that this is more attractive than before. Can you see? So that's how you can implement this feature. If you are facing any issues or something, definitely you can ask me. I will help you out in that. So in the previous videos, I have also explained that how you can implement images swatches. So let me show you the preview of my previous video. So actually I implemented that how you can add colors. Instead of color swatches, I added images swatches. So here you can see that I have added images swatches. So this was also an interesting video. So if you need images swatches, then you can follow this video. But if you need color swatches, then you need to follow the same video which we are recording right now. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. If you have anything new to create in your Shopify store, feel free to contact me. I have already given the contact details below in the description. So you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.